I'm Cambodian. You?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh?
I've heard of you guys, yes.
Okay.
How's it going over there?
Everything is very good nowadays.
Uh-huh.
And what about your country,
Cambodia.
Cambodia?
Mm.
Tell me about something, your city, what is specialized, what known about your country.
In Cambodia? Oh, I don't know. I'm from America now, but I was born in Thailand. Came to America as a baby because I was sponsored by a church community. That's how we made it to America, my family and I. But I didn't grow up in my country, but I'd love to go back. You
When
know.
you want to back?
When I have the money. Right now, I don't have the money.
And what
You
do you
know.
do for a living?
Right now, I'm not working. Yeah, you're a host too.
No, no, no. I'm only here for improve my English. Now I'm learning English.
Oh,
So,
pretty good.
so you are good. Can you give me some tips how can I improve my English?
Continue to keep reading. Read all the time. You know, you get the knowledge and your speech is improve. So just read a lot. Read.
It's helpful for
Do you
me.
read? You read. Yeah, you read, right?
It's your own house.
What about the apartment? I moved here with my dad. My dad. This is my dad's apartment.
Oh,
I just moved back home.
okay.
I recently sold my home, and now I'm living with him, and I'm gonna move out of the state soon.
Okay. If you don't mind, can I
No.
ask you some question?
Okay, you get one question. What's the question?
Are you married or do you have kids?
No. No.
No kids.
I only have a dog. No, no husband, no kids, just a dog.
You like pets? How many pets do you have?
I have nieces and nephews. I have kids that's all around me, but kids for myself. Not yet.
Okay. You have dog, but I like cat. I had a cat, but now
You
I
like cat?
don't have.